Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I'm showing you how to do a double crossed treble, and for that I'm using this lovely light purple yarn. So this time we're using Charity, and I'll continue on here to show you, but the beginning will work the same. You just do a base row and then 8 chains to start the crossed trebles, then another chain because we are skipping the first stitch. So let's do that really quick. This is the stitch that has our chains, the next one we skip, and the third we go through the following way. Yarn over 4 times, go through, take the thread through, and take the thread twice around your needle and cast 2 loops off. And then again 2 yarns over, and we skip 1 chain. We go into the following one through, and we take the thread through, and then we keep casting off all loops 2 at a time, so we have it 6 times total. Then a chain, and again yarn over twice, and we go through this crossing here, and we take the thread through, and again 2 at a time until we finish, 3 times total. First crossed treble done. Then we do another chain, again 4 times yarn over, skip 1 chain and go into the following one, through and 2 times through 2 loops at a time, and then 2 yarns over, 1 chain we skip, then through and take the thread, and 6 times through 2 loops at a time. Chain, 2 yarns over, and into this crossing we go through and take the thread through, and 3 times the thread through 2 loops at a time. Again a chain and 4 times yarn over, skip 1 chain, go through, and 2 times through 2 loops. 2 yarns over, skip 1, the following one we go through, and again 6 times through 2 loops at a time. Chain, 2 yarns over, into the crossing section, and our third crossed treble is done. And you continue in the same manner till you get to the end of your row. Don't forget the chain, and once again we skip 1. Chain. And another, and at the end a quadruple treble. I'll show you. So skip 1 chain and keep doing 2 loops at a time. So in the rows between the crosses, I did just regular trebles. So we turn with a chain and we do trebles or half treble crochets right there. and then we go around the chain. Then onto the first stitch of the cross, then again around the chain and around the second stitch of the cross. Then around the chain, and that's how you continue. 1 treble per each stitch you see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. $15, 20, 21, 22, and a half treble into the last one, so 23. So your stitches should be divisible with 4 plus 3 more. The 20 you can divide by 4, and the 3 are then a total of 23. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 crosses plus the 3 stitches. So that's one stitch chain plus the 2 side stitches that we have. And you then repeat. And you can just watch the video again, and that's how you would get this lovely double-crossed treble look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, feel free to shoot a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, you can always click on the subscribe button and stay updated with every video that I post. See you in my next project. Until then, have a great day. Bye!